Hi, Dr. Harlan Mittag here. You should receive an email in about 10 minutes with instructions on how to access your free report, How to Erase Pain Naturally. In your report, I tell you about 2 effective natural pain remedies that I give to my patients every day so that they can get rid of their pain on their own. The report tells you all about these 2 natural and effective pain remedies. But if you watch this video to the end, I'll show you how to get the powerful remedies mentioned in the report at a discount. This is a picture of me taken about 15 years ago. 3 weeks before the picture, I injured my low back and suffered a herniated disc and pinched nerve that sent pain that I wouldn't wish on anyone into my left leg. I had to take pain drugs for about a week, but then decided enough. Instead, I used one of the pain remedies that I mentioned in my report, and I was able to quickly get rid of the pain and the crutches that I had needed to walk. This is me celebrating not needing the crutches anymore and feeling great, just 3 weeks after severely injuring my low back. The 2 remedies in the report are not just 2 remedies concocted by one doctor, or me. These 2 remedies are being used by thousands of alternative doctors who are helping their patients get free of pain. So let's get to it. What 2 remedies for natural pain relief am I actually talking about? I give remedy number 1 to patients for short-term relief of pain, whether it started recently or is chronic. This remedy works to relieve pain from arthritis, old injuries, nerve pain, and other sources. Remedy number 1 is a patch that is placed over the area of pain. Ingredients in the patch are absorbed through the skin into the inflamed, injured area. These ingredients deliver nutrients for tissue repair and promote circulation in the area. The patch, which is sold commercially under the brand name PowerStrip, is listed as a Class 1 medical device by the FDA for temporary relief of pain. PowerStrips use current technology and ancient healing principles to relieve inflammation and promote healing of the painful area. Here's a case history of someone who used a PowerStrip, and I quote, "Was in a serious car accident in the 70s, had a cervical compression fracture. My C-spine looks like a backwards S on X-ray. Wake up every day with numbness and tingling to both upper extremities, not to mention the pain. The power strips brought my pain from an 8/10 to a 1 to 2/10. Amazing." That's from Debbie L. And here's another case of someone using power strips. Quote, "It helped with cramp pain and my cycle seems to have shortened to 3 days, which is awesome." Kimberly L. We're seeing improvement in many different conditions with power strips. It's interesting how many pain conditions are relieved simply by delivering nutrients straight to the problematic area. Remedy number 2 is the best remedy I know of for long-term relief of pain. It is pharmaceutical-grade omega-3 enriched fish oil. The emphasis here is on pharmaceutical-grade omega-3 enriched fish oil, because all fish oils are not created equal, and you have to get enough of the active ingredients for this remedy to work. Pharmaceutical-grade fish oil is being used by medical doctors, chiropractors, and naturopaths to help patients get off of harmful pain drugs and get long-term relief of pain. A study published in the Clinical Journal of Pain showed how pharmaceutical-grade fish oil worked with 5 different patients. Each of these patients had disabling pain due to a different condition. After taking pharmaceutical-grade fish oil, all 5 of these patients were able to resume normal lives without pain. Before taking fish oil, these 5 patients had been disabled by cervical radiculopathy or pinching of a nerve in the neck, thoracic outlet syndrome or pinching of nerves in the anterior shoulder area, fibromyalgia, carpal tunnel syndrome, and even a burn injury. Let's review one of the cases, that of a 53-year-old male patient with a disc herniation at C6-C7 in the lower neck that was pressing on a nerve that goes into the arm. This patient also had spinal stenosis, or narrowing of the spinal canal in the neck, and multi-level degenerative disc disease, or deterioration of the discs at many levels in the neck. Previous treatment with physiotherapy and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs had not helped this person. The patient was given pharmaceutical-grade omega-3 enriched fish oil that contained 4,800 milligrams of EPA and DHA each day. After 2.5 weeks, his signs and symptoms began to improve. After 8 months, he was able to play competitive hockey again. After 19 months, he felt cured and was able to play full equipment ice hockey. He had been a professional hockey player. If he stopped taking fish oil for about 4 days, his symptoms would begin to return. But when he resumed the fish oil, the pain went away again, and he had no negative effects from taking the fish oil long term. Many medical doctors are also adopting pharmaceutical-grade fish oil in their medical practices. Dr. Joseph Maroon is a neurosurgeon who, after running too many marathons, suffered lots of knee pain. Taking too many pain drugs gave him an ulcer, and so his medical colleagues recommended he get a complete knee replacement. Dr. Maroon did some research and started taking pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. He was able to get off of his ulcer-causing pain meds and also avoid knee replacement just by using pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. Dr. Maroon then started treating his patients with pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. The results were published in the Journal of Surgical Neurology in 2006. 60% of his patients with neck and back pain who had been taking non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs previously reported improvement with fish oil. 59% of his patients discontinued their non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs in favor of fish oil for pain relief. There were no significant side effects associated with taking the fish oil. In my clinical practice, patients suffering from pain are first evaluated and treated in the clinic, and at the end of the appointment, a power strip is placed over the area of injury. They are given additional power strips to reapply every 48 hours. If the patient is already taking fish oil, I make sure it is a pharmaceutical-grade omega-3 enriched product and make sure they are taking the right dose. This varies depending on the product specifications. With these two tools, I get outstanding results. My primary clinical goal is to get patients off of harmful pain meds, have patients experience complete relief of pain, and have patients return to an active lifestyle uninhibited by the fear of pain. With these remedies, my patients no longer have to rely on expensive treatments. They are self-reliant and can get rid of the pain themselves using these tools. They are freed from the ill effects of pharmaceutical pain drugs, and they are able to live their lives without pain. The report that I've sent you via email will tell you more about the pain-erasing effects of power strips and pharmaceutical-grade fish oil. But unfortunately, you're not going to get pain relief when you read the report. Relief will come only if you actually use the remedies. To encourage you to try these remedies, I'm making them available at a discount. You can purchase a single power strip for $9.95, and you can purchase a 180-day supply of pharmaceutical-grade omega-3 enriched fish oil for $19.95, available on Amazon, with a discount code. If you're on the fence with trying either of these two remedies, I encourage you to take action and try them. On the one hand, unlike pain drugs, there are no risks involved. On the other hand, just like so many other patients and customers, you're likely to experience the significant benefits of these natural pain remedies. If you have any questions, you can call me to set up a complimentary consultation. Just call me at 1-844-944-6999. The recording will refer to Doctors Holistic RX, that's my company. But just leave your name, your telephone number, and a good time to call you. I'll call you back and try to answer any questions that you have about using these natural remedies with whatever condition you have going on. I encourage you to try these remedies. Click on the button below for more information on how to purchase power strips and pharmaceutical grade fish oil. Thank you. Have a good day. This is Dr. Harlan Mateg, DC.